Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an image transparent in Canva. So I've already opened my Canva, and then if you want to make an image to be transparent, so first add the image first. I'm going to use a photo from Canva, for example this one, and then I'm going to make it the background first, so just like this. And then if you want to make this image to be transparent, just click on the image and then click on the transparency icon at the top, this one, and then swipe it to the left or right to adjust the opacity or the transparency. To make it transparent, I'm going to lower it, so just like this, and then just like that the image has become transparent. And you can add text, for example, on the top of it, or you can also add another image and make this as the background, for example, my favorite space, like that. And then I'm going to make it bigger, so just like that. You can also, I'm going to make it like this, just like that. Okay, so that is how you can make an image to be transparent in Canva. It's so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.